Hey everybody, this is Cody with Adams Custom Wheels in Gainesville. We just got done with a 2018 Jeep Wrangler. We did a 2.5-inch Trail Master lift kit that we had in stock, and she did 20x10 fuel Contras with Delinte DX-9 33 12 50 20s. We had this whole package in stock. We keep wheels and tires, 5 wheels, 5 tires for Jeeps, lift kits, leveling kits for Jeeps. That's a great looking package. You got to get the 5th wheel if you're rolling around in a Wrangler. That looks great. We have this whole package in stock. We keep more wheels and tires in stock than anybody in North Georgia. Give me a call at the shop, see what we have in stock for your truck, Jeep or SUV. 678-971-1420 or call me direct, 770-940-2033. If you're out riding around Gainesville, stop by and check us out. We're off of Browns Bridge Road right next to Linex.